Hello everyone, this is Alina from ALINACRAFT. Welcome to my channel. Today we will make a frame with folded card. We will use this new release frame metal die set. We can see this set including the frame die and wood pattern decoration part. Okay, let's prepare the papers. 4 pieces the frames. This is decorated part. 4 pieces the bars. Now we can get started. First, we fold these 2 papers according to the lines. We fold this paper, the frame paper. Do the same on another one. Fold according to the lines. And stick this side. Okay, stick here. These 2 sides, stick them together to make it a tube. 2 tubes prepared. And then we do the other 2 papers. Please pay attention, it will be different. Cut these 2 parts, these 2 small parts, and this end the same. Now we got frame which remove the sticky edges. Same for the second one. And we got these 2. And fold according to the lines. Then roll up into a tube. The same to do with other tube. Okay, now we got 2 tubes, and then we can combine into a frame. Okay, now we need a base card. The base card size is the same as the tube. For this frame, the size is 16 cm by 16 cm. Then we need to stick the frames onto the base. It's very easy. Okay, now we got the frame. The light blue is very beautiful, right? Then we add the decorated layers. Okay, the frame is ready. It's very beautiful. Next, we will do this folded card. We need 2 of these folded cards. Let's try them into the frame. It's fitted well. And then we will know how to make this folded card. This folded card no need dies. Here's the paper with size I mark it. Now we see from right to left. A half cm is sticky edge, and the width of the paper is 12 cm. Then we see each fold is 6.3 cm. We need totally 4 folded. And the left width is 4 cm. But how we got these sizes? Let's see. The width of the card is the size of inner frame, and each fold 6.3 cm is a little less than the half of the inner frame. Why it is a little less than half frame? Because we need to leave a small gap between 2 cards to avoid they stuck together. Okay, let's do this folded card. Prepare a white paper. Here, 12 cm, we make a mark. And get a paper, which is 12 white. Then we get the sticky margin, a half cm. Make a line, can be folded. And then we do each folded. The first folded is 6.3 cm. We make a mark. And here have an embossing line. Got an embossing line. Folded. And the second folded line, the same size. And the third, just against the second one, and fold. Then the extra paper. We just cut this one, remove it, and we get this size is 4 cm. But this size is according to your favorite. If you want it wide, you can make it into 5 cm. If you want it a little narrow, you can less than 4 cm. I made is 4 cm for this card. Okay, I make the mark on the other end of the card and then cut it. Okay, done. We got these shipped paper and just fold them to get the folded card. It's very easy, right? Then we only need to cut the same shape but a little bit smaller design paper to decorate each side. Then we stick the cards onto the frame. Then we add a color paper. Now the folded card is complete. We also can add some sentiment and greeting words onto these white sides. Okay, here's the totally completed frame card with belt and sentiment tag. I used these happy birthday stamps and these circle tags. It turned out very beautiful, right? And these beautiful tiny flowers, I used this die cut. It's very cute. Let's say the wrap belt. The belt is easy to make. We just cut a narrow paper and wrapped the frame. And that's it card with a sentiment for somebody special. Happy birthday! And this cute envelope with the letters. This envelope with mail sheet is really so cute. I used the die set, some small parts, and these we have made very pretty and very special cards, right? Okay, it was today's tutorial. I hope you love my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.